Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind happypuppytruffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cute little item that's available from the other 100-yen store called SERIA. And I've shown you guys these kinds of mini block kits that they have at Daiso. They're 100 yen for those. And they call them like petite blocks, I think is what they're called. And they're just in a little bag. This was at SERIA, and it just really caught my eye because it's really marketed in nicely designed little cute little box, and they're called micro blocks. And you know, they let you know how difficult this is. This is supposed to be pretty hard, 3 stars, and says that it's hard, Mizukashi. So this is part of the Animal A series, and this is an owl, Fukuro. So I've already got an owl from the other series, and I thought I'd kind of make this one and kind of compare and let you guys know which one was a little easier or harder to put together. But certainly if you're just looking at the basic, what does it look like from the outside, if you want to give it to somebody as a gift, I would without a doubt say that this looks much cooler. You know, you definitely get a feeling that you've just bought a regular micro kind of block set, which, you know, those aren't really called micro blocks, they're called nano blocks. But, you know, this is a very good version of that. So if you think you'd like to buy some of these and give them as a gift to somebody, then definitely go to SERIA. It's a 100-yen store, and they'll have these and a few other designs for you to pick from. Now, when I was at the store that I was at, and it was a pretty decent sized one, there was not anywhere near as many versions of this though as there is of the similar counterpart at Daiso. So if you're looking for variety, Daiso's your best bet, I think. But if you're looking for something that looks really nice, then this is a really good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and try to go ahead and turn the camera around and fast forward and put it together, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So this is the guy all finished here, you guys, and he's very cute, and the kit itself was pretty cool. I'd probably say that the base here that it sits on is not the greatest. It's not like being as strong as I'd like it to be here, and the connection's not maybe as good as it could be. But the kit itself does have one plus, that it comes with this nice little tool for helping to take pieces apart. So you get to have a nice collection of these, which are always helpful if you don't happen to have nails or something to help pry pieces apart. The pieces do come apart pretty nicely, so I didn't have as much trouble. I thought the way of them piecing together was pretty nice compared to like the ones from Daiso. Now, the only trouble was that the instructions were, I think, better with Daiso's stuff. They let you know from the beginning which pieces you need. I mean, you can kind of tell from here what you do need, but they do make it a little nicer in that sense because they show you how many of each piece you need per part of your descriptions. Now, the one nice thing this one had is these little markers. They'd mark a point in the description to show you which ones need to line up to be right for the design. So that was nice with this one. So it's kind of hard because some of the stuff with the SERIA one is better and some of the stuff with the Daiso one is better. I can't really choose. But this, I think overall for design purposes, I kind of like the way that this little guy looks. I think he's a little better looking. He's so cute with his cool little ears. So I'm partial to him. I think he has a very nice little face with his yellow eyes. I like that part. So it's just sort of a point of preference which one you might like, I suppose. But I would definitely say that they're both really good series of stuff, and they're fun if you enjoy putting together Lego-like projects. It is tinier, so it's a little harder to do, and the instructions require you to be pretty intuitive about what you need to do, so you want to kind of be ready for that. They don't give you a whole lot of really step-by-step detail. And in the beginning, it was really hard with this one because there's a lot of what you call like floating pieces where the layer fits together, but there's not enough other pieces for it to stick to, so that on a layer down the road, you can finally connect everything together. And that can get a little confusing if you're not used to how some of these kind of nano block, micro block kind of things work. And this design seemed to have a lot more than the ones I've done with the Daiso series. And I don't know if that's just this particular version or other things that are in this series are tricky like that too. But it was definitely, you know, hard. I would give it a 3-star hard Mizukashi level. So, but definitely something to try if you're interested, and it makes a great gift, and it doesn't cost very much money at all because it's only 100 yen. So You can't go wrong, right? I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!